Okay, so for this tutorial you're going to be needing 3 pieces of fabric. So the length will depend on the circumference of your head, so you want to measure around your head circumference and then add 2 extra inches. So I'm going to be using 24 inches in length here, and then the width of the fabric is 4 inches. So fold the fabric into 2 lengthwise and make sure the right side is on the inside, and then you want to sew along one side of that fabric. So once you finish sewing that together, you want to turn it inside out. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you share this content with your friends and family members. Okay, so now I have all my tubes turned inside out already. I'm gonna be filling the tubes with a wadding. Is it fabric that you call it? It's a wadding, so it's used for bags and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna be using to fill the tubes. So just want to fill the tubes so that they're not overfilled, just enough for you to be able to braid the 3 tubes together. So after filling the tubes, you want to cut off any excesses of the wadding fabric you might have, pin the 3 pieces together and sew. So now to do the braiding, I'm gonna use the sewing machine to help me out here. So you want to make sure that you feed in this piece under the sewing machine and make sure your needle goes through it, so that will hold it in place while you do the braiding. After the braiding is done, you want to make sure you secure the other end as well. So you want to pin the 3 pieces together and then sew it together like you did for the other side of the braiding. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is attach a piece of elastic to both ends, so that will give you a little bit of a stretch when trying to wear it. So then after sewing the elastic in place, I'm gonna use a a piece of fabric to cover that up, and then that will be the end of the tutorial. Sewing, you want to cut off the excess and then turn that fabric inside out so that the seams will be on the inside. And there you have it, the headband is done. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and see you on the next one.